Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a CarX Highway Racing modded version, no jailbreak computer needed. As you can see, guys, this gives you like millions of money, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It is super cool, guys, and it's fully works. So what you want to do, guys, is go to your browser and just go to this site. It's called ZooMods. There's a ton of mods for apps and games. Let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the site where you can get this CarX Highway Racing like modded version. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in CarX Highway, and you can see it should come right up. So let me just type it in right here, and there it is, CarX Highway Racing Mods. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. Be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's fully working and it's super insane. And if you go to the App Store and type in CarX Highway Racing, you guys can see it is super expensive. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So CarX Highway, can't spell, but CarX Highway, let me just do that right here. And as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So if you go to the in-app purchases, you guys can see, look at that. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So all you gotta do is go to the ZooMods, and you're gonna be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It fully works, and all you gotta do is go to this site and then go to the search bar and type in CarX. It should come right up. So there it is, CarX Highway Racing. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a new video. Hope you guys enjoyed. But yes, it's super crazy. Fully updated, guys. So it's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yes, it's fully working, guys. So all you got to do is go to ZooMods, and you're going to be all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. Super cool, guys. As you can see right here, look at that.